Hello. So I have the board turned around. It's all dandy. But in putting the RAM chip in, one pin has bent. I think I can rehabilitate it. I think I can. I think I can. You see, as I put it in, let's see if we can see that there. Penny, that pin got bent. So now I need to find my little wee pliers. Hello, Penny. Don't come up here, Penny. There's hot things. And with great care, give the pin a little tweak, knowing that if I bend things too much, too fast, and too often, it ain't gonna. Hey, Penny, you got your tail on the cord for the soldering iron. I know, that's Penny. Don't come up here. All right. Let's see here. Trying to tweak this pin. Oh, Penny, are you on my shoulder? What are you doing, Penny? No, Penny, just wait. Penny, I'm in the middle of a delicate operation. Alright, so if we look again at this, we should be able to see that that pin, the one on the end, on the far end, this end, I think is looking okay. I think it's not perfect though. You know what? I'm just going to give it another little tweak. Just a little itty bitty twang. Alright. Now, I know you can't see this very well. Sorry about that. Actually, no. You may be able to see it a lot worse in a moment, because I really got to turn the board around and put it down and get this lined up. There's another part of the board that you can see at this moment. And I'm going to give that pin to even just a little bit more of a tweak. Hi, Penny. I know. And I'm going to line that up first on that side. Give a gentle push to the other side to get it all lined up and pop it in. And there. I'll bring this. Penny, you're up here. Penny, you're up here. Penny, you're up here. Penny, you're up here. Penny. Penny. Sorry. Okay. I'm trying to think if, yes, I'm in the right spot. So there is the RAM chip. It's in. Penny. No, that's really cute. Okay, Penny, that's really cute. Yes, it is. Okay, Penny. You can't, look, there's still hot irons. So they should be cool by now. But you can't be here now, right now, Penny. You can't. Just a second. Penny. Okay, hang on. There's Penny. Hello, Penny. Now, you see, Penny, the diagnostics are running. Yeah, it's not exciting. Why don't you get up on the top of that pit? Why don't you get up here? Penny, why don't you get up here? Up. You've done it before. Okay, Penny, you're in the danger zone now. That's a circuit board. Yes, there's all, no, Penny. That's a light. Yes, no, Penny. You're getting toward the danger zone. There could be still hot irons over there. I do not want to hear you squeal. I really don't, Penny. Penny, Penny, Penny. Yes, you are. Lovely cat, Penny. Lovely cat. Yes. Oh, yes. You're now scratching yourself on the board. Yes. Okay. That's magical. Yes, it is. But Penny, I know you're not going to hurt the board, but I've got to get on with this here. And the irons, they're just over here. See? There's the soldering irons. They could still be warm, and that would not be good. That would not be good. Would it, Penny? Penny, look here. How you doing? I don't know what you're looking for here. Okay. Penny dear. Penny dear. I can't see you. I can't see Penny. Penny. No, no, Penny, don't lick the circuit board. Okay, Penny, 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 I see you. I see you. Yes, I do. Okay, Penny, I think what I'm going to have to do is stop the recording and put you back down on the floor. Yes, that's the circuit board. No, 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 Penny. Penny, what are you doing there? Why are you doing this? Why, Penny? Why? Yes, that's very cute. The light's very bright. The irons are just over there and they're hot. Yes. Okay, Penny. Penny. That light bulb really doesn't get warm. It's an LED thing. So, Penny, I'm going to have to stop now. We got to do what we got to do here. Okay, so thanks for coming. Penny, you going to say goodbye? You want to look into the camera and say goodbye? Yes. Okay. Bye for now. Have a lovely, lovely day. Penny's going to get down. Aren't you, Penny? Aren't you going to get down? Not without assistance. Okay. We're going to do this testing, which is going to show the same error, and then we'll carry on. Oh, Penny's up. Penny, Penny. Are you going to get up on top of here? Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. No. Not really. Not really. Maybe? Penny, you've been up on top of the pet before. Oh, okay. Penny down. Penny, Penny down. Penny, Penny down. Yes, I know. I know. I know. Okay, Penny, down. Let's get down. Down, down. Down, down. Penny, Penny. Penny, Penny. You can do this. Down, down. Penny, Penny. Oh, Penny. Okay, Penny. No, you can't. No. Penny's just gonna curl up here. Yes, she is. But Penny, no, I've got to get on with things here. I'll get you. I'll talk to you. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Nice, Penny. What you doing there? What you doing, Penny, now that you're up? Yeah, I know that connector is really kind of cool. Yes, it is. This is the extended CAT scan. We don't often get... Now, Penny, I see the way you're lying down. You're going to fall off the table. There's not really room here at this moment. There really is not. There's not, Penny. Oh, time for a scratch. Okay, Penny. That's it, that's all. We gotta get down. Okay, Penny, one last look over here. Penny, 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 Penny. Let's say goodbye. No? Penny, gonna say goodbye? No, you want to rub your head on the corner of the pet. What a beautiful thing is that. Okay, Penny. Yes, we got a lick spot there. Okay, okay, Penny. Yes. All right, Penny. I've got to get back to testing this. I think what I'm going to do the next time is I'm going to take the next two RAM chips out, I think. Anyway, we'll see. All right. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Penny's about to get down. Bye.